Hi there. Today, we're chatting with Maria Rodriguez, who just moved to the USA. Thanks for talking with us, Maria. Can you share a bit about where you're from and why you decided to come to the United States?
Hi, sure. I'm from Mexico City, and I moved here 6 months ago. I wanted more opportunities for my family, and I thought the USA would be a good place for that. I heard it's diverse and lively, and I wanted a better future for my kids.
That sounds great. How has it been for you and your family since you got here?
It's been a bit of everything. Exciting but also sometimes hard. Learning a new language, especially English, can be tough. But people here are really nice, which makes it easier. We're getting used to everything and starting to like it here.
Nice to hear. What kind of challenges have you faced, and how are you dealing with them?
The biggest challenge is the language. I'm taking English classes, but it's not easy. Luckily, there are places in the community that help, like language exchange programs. They're great for practicing English and meeting people going through similar stuff.
That's helpful. What about finding a job?
Job hunting is taking some time, but I'm not giving up. I go to job fairs, talk to people, and look online. Staying positive is important, and I believe I'll find something soon.
Good attitude. On a lighter note, have you had any fun or memorable moments since you arrived?
Yes, we went to a block party in our neighborhood, and it was awesome. The neighbors were super friendly, and it felt like we're part of a big family. It made us happy we moved here.
Sounds like a blast. Looking ahead, what are your hopes and dreams for the future in the USA?
My main goal is to make life better for my family. I want a good job and to be part of the community. I also want to keep our culture alive while embracing the American way of life. Most importantly, I want my kids to have every chance to do well.
Thanks so much for sharing, Maria. We wish you and your family the best as you continue your journey here in the United States.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
One of the big questions when we look at prehistory is, why did the early states form? Well, to begin, we'd better define exactly what we mean when we talk about states. The human groups that are the smallest and have the least social and political complexity are called bands. The groups that are the largest and most socially and politically complex, we call states. So, the level of complexity here refers to the organization of people into large, diverse groups and densely populated communities. And there are 4 different levels in total: bands, tribes, chiefdoms, and states. But back to my original question. Why did early states form? Why not just continue to live in small groups? Why become more complex? One theory, called the environmental approach, hypothesizes that the main force behind state formation was population growth. It assumes that centralized management was critical to dealing with issues caused by sudden population surges, like a strain on limited food supplies. At the least complex end of the spectrum, the few families living in bands are able to meet their own basic needs. They usually hunt, gather and forage whatever foods are available, instead of domesticating animals and planting crops. In order to efficiently take advantage of the wild foods available, bands are often nomadic and move around following herds of animals. This strategy is feasible when you have a small population. But when you have a large population, the whole population can't just get up and move to follow a wild herd of animals. Therefore, you need sophisticated technologies to produce enough food for everyone. And there is an increased need to resolve social problems that arise as people begin to compete for resources. To manage intensified food production, to collect, store, and distribute food, you need centralized decision-making, centralized decision-makers. It's the same thing when it comes to maintaining social order. You need to create and efficiently enforce a formal legal code. It makes sense to have a centralized authority in charge of that. A hierarchy forms. By definition, states have at least 3 social levels, usually an upper class of rulers, a middle class comprised of managers and merchants, and a lower class of craft producers and agricultural laborers. The environmental approach hypothesizes that states appear in certain environmental settings, which have a severe population problem or a shortage of agricultural land. But not everyone agrees with the theory. It definitely has some weaknesses. We'll discuss these aspects next time. Hi there. My friend and I are on vacation, and we're looking for a good place to eat around here. Any recommendations?
Hi, Andrew. Sure, I can help you with that. What type of cuisine are you both in the mood for?
We're pretty open to anything. Maybe something local and unique to the area?
Great choice. There's a charming local spot called Casa del Sabor, just a few blocks from here. They're known for their delicious regional dishes. How does that sound?
Casa del Sabor? Sounds intriguing. What kind of dishes do they specialize in?
They're famous for their seafood dishes, especially the grilled fish tacos and shrimp ceviche. It's a cozy place with a nice ambience, perfect for a vacation dinner.
That sounds fantastic. Thanks for the suggestion. Is it within walking distance, or should we grab a cab?
It's actually just a short walk from here. You can enjoy a leisurely stroll through the neighborhood and take in the local atmosphere.
Perfect. And any recommendations for dessert afterward?
Absolutely. If you have a sweet tooth, there's a delightful dessert cafe called Sweet Bliss nearby. They have a variety of cakes, pastries, and ice cream. It's a great way to end your meal.
Sweet Bliss, got it. Thanks for the dessert tip. By the way, any other must-see places or activities around here that you'd recommend?
Certainly. If you're interested in exploring, there's a beautiful park called Green Haven just a short distance away. It's a lovely place to relax, take a stroll, or have a picnic.
That sounds like a nice way to spend the afternoon. We'll definitely check it out. Thanks for all the recommendations.
You're welcome, Andrew. If you need any more assistance or information about the area, feel free to ask. Enjoy your vacation and dinner at Casa del Sabor.
Thanks a lot. We appreciate it.
Anthropology is the study of humanity and human societies, offering ordinary people a unique lens through which to understand the rich tapestry of human existence. Instead of limiting itself to one specific facet of human life, anthropology encompasses a diverse array of perspectives, examining everything from cultural practices and linguistic nuances to biological evolution and archaeological remnants. Essentially, it is a holistic discipline that seeks to unravel the complexities of human behavior, beliefs, and interactions across different cultures and time periods. For ordinary people, anthropology acts as a bridge between the familiar and the unfamiliar, providing insights into the diversity of human experiences worldwide. It strives to answer fundamental questions about what it means to be human, shedding light on the shared and unique aspects of various societies. Through ethnographic research, anthropologists engage with communities, immersing themselves in local cultures to understand the intricacies of daily life. By doing so, they uncover valuable insights into the customs, beliefs, and social structures that shape human societies. Anthropology's real-world impact extends beyond academic inquiry. It contributes to our understanding of contemporary issues, such as cultural identity, social justice, and globalization, offering practical applications in fields like international development, public health, and policymaking. Anthropologists collaborate with communities to address real-world challenges, promoting cross-cultural understanding and fostering respect for diverse perspectives. In essence, anthropology invites ordinary people to embark on a journey of discovery, encouraging them to question assumptions, appreciate cultural differences, and recognize the shared humanity that binds us all. By unlocking the mysteries of human societies, anthropology enriches our collective understanding and facilitates meaningful connections between individuals and communities across the globe.